NASDAQ this week has made another bullish breakout. What we can see here, the price started this week here. And also this was also mentioned in the previous week analysis, where I have shared also my entry level with the stop loss and the take profit, where I was expecting that the price will continue to rise because of this bullish breakout. And then the price has reached this area 16400 and also has made a breakout to the upside, where we can see the second candle after that on a Thursday has been validated because the price turned back down, reaching this support, and they did not close below that. So on the Friday we can see that price has continued to rise in value, which has been also expected after this bullish breakout. Has been validated. If you go to the weekly, we can see only bullish candles for the several weeks, which is also a great signal for the NASDAQ. But also what we can see currently is the weekly bullish breakout on this price level, which is 16400. If we go to the monthly time frame, what we can see it here, after this previous month has ended as a bullish candle, making several breakouts to the upside, we can see that the price returned back down slightly and then continue to move up, where we can see the price is currently making a bullish breakout to the upside above 16400, which is also a very important signal here. So we will see how this month ends, because we have 2.5 more weeks until this month ends, so it's still everything open. Maybe the price will return back down, not making a breakout to the upside with a bullish candle, but we will see what happens. Very important level for the price is currently this one here, which is 15900, and we will see much more clearly on the weekly time frame how this looks. So 1500 is very important level, but also we can see it here is very important level is this one, 151600. So the price has made a breakout to the upside. I am expecting next week to make a validation of this bullish breakout by returning back down up to 16400. Now for the price that on the weekly time frame, we need to see the price making a validation and staying above 1640 in order to see the price reaching higher price levels above that. If the price returns back down, then the next level where the price will stop is around 1600 price level, which we can see it here is the first support level in between these two price levels, between 15500 and also 16400. To see much more clearly, we can go to the daily time frame to see how this looks, and we will see what are very important levels. Now let me check in the past what we can see it here. We do not have any target above that, because this is all-time high, if I can see it correctly. So for now, on the above that, we do not have any target with this horizontal level. So I will make another one, just a minute, visualization. Okay, we can see it on all of them, and we will put here what is the first level where the price could reach. It is a round number, which is 1700. And we will see what happens around that price level. Let's go to the daily time frame and see how this looks. So for now, the next target is 1700, which is a round number for the markets. We will see what happens on the daily time frame. We can see that the bullish breakout has been validated, so for now everything expected that the price will continue to rise up. But have in mind that we need also to see a weekly bullish breakout confirmed, where I'm expecting that the price will return again to this price level, which is 16400. After the price returns back down, this means that and stays above on the weekly time frame, this will mean that we have also a daily time frame bullish breakout validated, and also we will have a weekly bullish breakout validated, which is a very great signal for the price. And also then we will see what happens on the monthly time frame. But for now everything looks bullish, so I'm expecting that the price will try to return back down on the weekly and then continue to rise up. I will also share my trading idea with the stop loss and the take profit inside the trading community, which you can see on the Get to Know Trading website. The link is below the video inside the description. If you like this video, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.